Okay, wide shot. I hate filming outside. Can't see what you're doing. First thing I do is clean the bike off. So get some cleaning devices here. Job one done. Clean. Like new. Jack the bike up. Get some fender clearance to the front of the cab. Strap there so it won't fall over. Hot in that sun. Okay, the back end's in the air now. Straight up front. Perfect. Bike's all leveled out now. Still in the sun though. Alright, now we work on it a little easier now. So the rear end's up in the air so you can put it in gear and turn it. Let's see, the spark plugs are out. I think loose already, yep. First indicator of running condition. Besides that blue in the tailpipe came in all black. Ah, it kind of matches the spark plugs, all black. You want to look all the way down the plug to see how bad it really is. Yeah, it's black all the way down. Really rich. So that means the jets are way too big in this thing. Way too big. Oh yeah, it's just that one. Yeah, you're like new. I blew the paint off already. Looks nice. Okay. Yeah, we don't know what's inside the tank. We really don't want to look in there. At least I don't want to. Compression releases are in this. Yep. They work. You're gonna pull them up so they're off. It's got some kind of a single fire coil on it. 3 wires on there, single fire. Blue streak plug wires, so those are good. No cracks. Those look fairly new. Probably not original. Alright, to get to the carburetor, it's probably easier to pull this motor mount off. I don't know if there's a nut on the other side or not, I can't see. 2 bolts here and 1 there. Get out of there. Get out of your damn way and work on the damn thing. Alright, what do we got on this side of the bike? Ugh. Phillips screwdriver. And it looks like there's a nut up into there in the dark. So, alright. And we got an Allen bolt cover there. Got to pull that off, see what's underneath there too while we're at it. Whew, bright on that side of the bike. I like this side of the bike better. It's more dark. Plus I'm standing in the shade helps. Alright, I think I'm going to work from this side of the bike first. A lot easier. It appears to be tight, so I have to dick with it. I don't know why they put a filter on the bike for. It's just more things that give you problems. Could be plugged, who knows. I'll pull the fuel line off on that side and see if it'll drain. That'll give me a fuel flow test of the carb system or the fuel system through the petcock and the filter and see if anything's plugged. That's always a plus to find that out before it gets too late. Good stuff. Alright, got off the tools, look at that.